up, head up on, just a little on his outside shoulder. Run right at him. If he runs, just go block the punt. Go.
Too easy.
That's a mean hit.
I can't get no fuck. Get money. Give me one more.
Mama, I love you.
I was playing to the right of him, so I had to come here on the left because I'm expecting it to go to 52.
Big though.
Okay, what's this?
All I do is run hard. All that damn muscle.
It's so funny, bro, because when we was doing it, the coaches over there talking about
Onside. I know, I heard it.
Right, I heard the player say, "Yo, they gotta get 5 yards. They gotta get 5 yards."
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, alright. Man, it's too easy. Tell business. You already know what it is.
Deja vu.
Deja vu, baby.
Hey, what I tell you to do?
Repeat.
What I tell you to do?
Had to repeat.
Hey, I seen you, BG. As soon as you cleared 19, I came in on the D.
What
Nobody.
did 19 do?
He came down, he thought he seen me. Yeah,
Dummy.
Woodson, get out from me, buddy. Nice job, brother. Sit down, Woodson. It's all right.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Hey, go, boy.
Water. Tyler got it. Did you get a pinch?
No, I didn't.
He didn't pinch. Get up! Get up!
Procedure. Hey, here we go, come on! Yell out again! Do it again!
When you're down there, just make sure you turn around and let me know too. All right, just so I know, so I can go where I need to go. So I'm not assuming, all right? All right.
Daddy Jada, Mama Fredo.
E-T-T-E-N. E-T-T. E-T-T. E-T-T.
Let's keep it on. Keep it going. Feed me. Feed me. Man, it's too easy out here. Put the ball up with sundown with it. Hey, welcome home, baby. Welcome home. Get off the field, Foley, and shut up. Get off the field and shut up.
You got a second?
You got a second? Huh? Oh, you gotta be quicker than that. And you got a second? Yeah, what's your record?
They're not allowed to Hamilton, they gotta pay rent.
12.5 minutes.
They gotta pay rent. Come see Uncle Simmy before you come to Hamilton.
Can't see me, man. Can't see me.